Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by signing into the Gmail account with the photo. This ensures you have access and correct permissions. Once signed in, open the specific email thread that contains the image, because inline images and attachments behave slightly differently. Make sure to expand the image preview by clicking it on desktop or tapping it on mobile. This loads the full-size file, so you save the highest quality copy rather than a thumbnail or reduced preview. Now save the image where you want it and understand why each option matters. On desktop, click the download arrow or right-click and select Save Image as to pick a folder. That gives you a local copy. On mobile, use the three-dot menu in the Message or Image viewer and choose Download or Save to Photos so it appears in your gallery. Alternatively, save straight to Google Drive to preserve a cloud backup and keep it synced across devices. Finish by organizing the saved photo and handling common problems so you don't lose it. Move the file into a dedicated folder or album and rename it for quick searching. This avoids duplicates and confusion. If the download fails, clear your browser cache, update the Gmail app, or try an incognito window to rule out extensions. And if an attachment is missing, ask the sender to resend or use drive sharing, because Gmail can block very large files due to size limits.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.